Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm full stack tech lead at Rapyd, and I've been with the company for over 4 years. A few words about the company. Rapyd is a fintech-as-a-service cloud platform that provides B2B solutions for collecting and dispersing funds, e-wallets, virtual bank accounts, and plugins for multiple e-commerce platforms, and so on. We operate in more than 100 countries and support more than 900 payment methods. So in my small presentation, I want to show you from scratch how easy it is to integrate our API into your product or into a new project and to collect your first payment. So we'll start with terminal. And I'm creating a new directory that is called WAD, we are developers. In this directory, I'm initializing the package.json file, just like this. Now, let's go to IDE and open the folder. Let's create two empty files. The first one is just index.js, and the second one is Rapyd utils.js. So now what we have to do is to build the signature in order to authenticate our API calls. So we are going to docs.rapyd.net to the part of calculation of the signature, and we are just trying to copy. We'll refresh the page. Okay. We have some problems with the documentation, but when it will load, we will get the code snippet. And scrolling. Okay, this is the code snippet. We'll just copy it and paste it to the Rapyd utils file. Here in the top part, as you can see, there is no secret key and access key, so we have to go to the client portal. It's our dashboard, and to get these values. So I am copying the access key and paste it here. Secret key and paste here. Okay, now let's get back to index.js file and let's create this small function that just will call this this make request function that we're importing from Rapyd utils, and this function receives at least two parameters, method and URL path. So let's make the simplest API call. For example, get the list of allowed countries. As you can see, this is the get method, and this is the relative path that we need to pass. So the method is get, and the URL path is like this. Now let's log the response, and let's log the error. Let's try if this works. Okay, we've received the response. It means that our connection is established, and we can create a real API call in order to create the payment. So we are getting back to our API documentation and go to the section, for example, of creating payment. Payment. Let's create payment by card. It will be the simplest example. and we are copying all the data from here. Go back to the code. As you can see, this is the post API call, and this is the relative path that we need to use. So I am removing this, switching get to post, and setting here the URL. Here we should provide the third parameter that should be a body, and we are just taking it from here. Setting is as a third parameter. Let's remove all the unnecessary fields that are here. So just we'll leave 100 euro, customer description. So what we got here, we're trying to make the payment for 100 euro with the card with such details. Now let's run the code. Okay, it seemed that it worked. So we got a payment ID, and we saw that we created the payment for 100 euro. Let's get back to our client portal in order to see the transaction and to see the update in our balance. So we go to my account balance. As you can see, we've just created the transaction of 100 euro, and our euro balance has been updated. That's it.